What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm reviewing a Ducati Hyper Motard. It sounds really loud. It's super fun, and I will take it for a spin and I'll show you how it is. So as you can hear, it's really loud, and yeah, let's take it for a spin. Enjoy. It's not that fast, but it sounds, the sound is it's a Ducati. What did you expect, right? It sounds epic, guys. It sounds really good. Like, seriously, really good. Like, seriously. Ah, what a fun little machine this is. I could think of owning a bike like this and then just learning how to wheelie and have fun on it. But it's a Hyper Motard, so it's not. It's like a mix of a dirt bike and whatever the mix is. I don't know, but who cares? It's fun. Turn left. And it is a loaner bike, so I don't want to drive it too hard, because the penalty for dropping it is insurance fee, and it costs like 15,000 crowns, like Swedish SEK, and that's like $1,500. And I don't want that on my conscience. That would be an expensive test drive. Like a really expensive test drive. I don't know. I like it. It's fun. It sounds great. But I mean, I like my bike more. It's not, like I said, this bike should only be like a play bike, you know. And it feels faster than my bike. It's not faster, not by a long shot, but it feels faster because it's naked. It doesn't have any fairings, any windshields, so you get the wind directly in your face, which is nice, I guess. But the seat is very hard. But I mean, like seating positioning, it's nice. I'm comfortable, except the hard seat. But just do one iron butt challenge, and you will become one with the seat, I think. Yeah. Wow. Oh no. And also it's super duper light. It's like, seriously, it feels like a bicycle. It feels like my old bicycle I had, which was it had 2 gears, and when you press the brake pedal backwards on the bicycle, it shifted into second gear. It feels exactly like that. I mean, it's really light, like super duper light. I sat on it, I gave it a push with my legs, and it just rolled on forever in neutral. Yeah, it's a fun bike. It's a good bike. I don't want to wait in line, so I'll just cut some traffic here. Because people are really stupid. I didn't do a good thing either. I should have waited in queue, but who cares? When you drive a little bicycle like this, who cares? It's a fun little bike. It's a fun little bike, and the pops and bangs. It's nice. It reminds me of. Oh, he didn't wave back. What a douchebag, guys! When you drive a motorcycle, you have to do a motorcycle wave because it's not nice. Like this, see? They wave back. I can't do a wheelie, you guys. Like, but I mean, if I had a bike like this, I sure would have been able to teach myself how to do it. Like, to wheelie a big bike like mine, like my Tiger, that's an achievement, right? But it's really twitchy, I don't know. Like, it's fun, but the gearbox is really twitchy. It's a fun bike, but the more I realize the purpose of this bike, the more I realize that I don't need it. I have my big behemoth of a bike. Nice. It kind of it has ups and downs like my old Cupra had. It's a Seat. For those of you who don't know what Cupra is, it's a Volkswagen, basically a Golf R. Let's say it's a Golf R, and the pops and bangs, it sounded similar. Not as loud, but similar. Like a fun little fart can, you know. You just feel like a kid when riding this bike. It's like it's kind of nostalgic in a way. No, I can't turn. Oh, I can't turn left here. Oh, what's that? No one. Let's go. It's a little moped. What happened now? Yeah, this bike. What just happened? I shifted into 6th gear, and it just no way. I had my fun. Let's turn back. I need to turn back. Like when I shifted into 6th gear, it just died on me. Just then, as you saw, probably just saw. But like, it's really loud. It's so slow. It's super slow, but it sounds so loud. You think it's It's going 1,000 kilometers per hour. You know, when you have a super duper slow car, kind of like the Honda VTEC owners, the Rice Rockets, super loud but not fast at all. Like it's a fun bike, but it's a bicycle. Let's be honest. When I buy myself a house, I will buy something like this for me and my son, so we can goof around in the yard, garden, whatever. I mean, like for commuting maybe, but no, not really, because it's like when you just want to, you know, drive for like 1 hour max, then this bike is perfect for you. But if you actually want to go somewhere, I'm sorry to say this bike is not for you. You should buy an adventure bike, as I have. Like it's so slow, but it's super fun. It's hella fun. Whatever. Yeah, let's turn it back to the dealership. To the dealerships. Well, turn in here, turn off my camera, and I will see you when I turn my camera back on when I'm riding my own bike. A super long time. I didn't get yelled at, but I got how do you say it? It's called a tillsägelse in Swedish. When they said like, oh, we told people 10-15 minutes, but they didn't tell me anything. They just told me have fun. Okay, bye. But like, I don't know. It was fun, but I don't. If you have to take a bike for a test drive, you can't be expected to be away like 10, 15, whatever minutes. It's too short of a time to actually test drive the bike, right? Am I wrong? Well, like I said, maybe they knew it felt like a little bicycle, so that's why they only said, oh, 10-15 minutes, 10-15 minutes, something like that. 10-15 minutes. They want to wait for a very long time. I'm like I said, I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to be away that long, but, and I said, no worries, I hope you had fun. But like, yeah, I had fun, but I wouldn't have fun in 10-15 minutes. Whatever. Wow, this bike feels super duper big right now. Very big. Very big. But it's my bike. And I feel more comfortable on this bike. But it's like it's a noticeable difference, right? Oops. What am I doing? Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope it was entertaining. And as always, please leave a like, subscribe and comment. And I'll see you in the next video.